Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in on LastPass on your phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your LastPass app on your phone that you have installed, and from over here you're gonna find these two options, including a sign up and log in. Now we're gonna tap on this option of login right away. Now we simply have to provide our email address, our master password that we created, and tap on login. But in case if you are encountering some trouble while logging in, tap on this trouble login in option. Now you can see you have option of forgot master password, ask for help, or anything like that. You can simply go ahead, choose forgot master password if you have forgotten to reset it. Otherwise you can go to ask for help and ask for further help from their support. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.